Read me. How to speak confidently in front of a crowd. Speaking confidently in front of a crowd can be challenging, but here are some tips that may help. 1. Practice. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Practice in front of a mirror, or with a friend or family member. 2. Know your material. Be familiar with your topic and know what you want to say. This will help you feel more confident and prepared. 3. Focus on your breathing. Take deep breaths and exhale slowly to calm your nerves. 4. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking confidently and receiving positive feedback from the audience. 5. Engage with the audience. Make eye contact with members of the audience, use gestures and facial expressions to emphasize your points, and invite questions or comments. 6. Start strong. Begin with a strong opening that captures the audience's attention and sets the tone for your presentation. 7. Speak slowly and clearly. Speak at a comfortable pace and enunciate your words clearly. Remember, speaking in front of a crowd is a skill that can be developed with practice and experience. Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.